Hi guys! Today we'll log in to WhatsApp Web. Just follow these simple steps to connect your WhatsApp account to a browser. After unlocking your phone, open the WhatsApp app. Tap your profile in the bottom right corner to open WhatsApp settings. Here you'll find different options for managing your account. In the settings menu, tap linked devices. This section lets you connect your WhatsApp account to other devices, including WhatsApp Web. Tap link a device. If Face ID is enabled on your iPhone, complete the verification, then tap OK if prompted. Your phone's camera will open and be ready to scan a QR code. On your laptop or another phone, open WhatsApp Web and display the QR code. Scan the QR code with your iPhone's camera, and your WhatsApp account will be logged in automatically. And that's how you can easily log in to WhatsApp Web step by step. Once completed, you'll be able to use your WhatsApp account directly from your browser. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.